After the Kiger show car reveal last fall, I'm very happy and excited to present you today its production version, the Renault Kiger. Kiger is a compact SUV under 4 meters with a strong personality, a spacious and sophisticated interior capable of accommodating 5 adults. True to the promise of the show car, Kiger is a robust, dynamic and generous SUV. The assertive front block, high beltline and its marked shoulders make it a robust SUV, armed for travel in the urban jungle. With its wheels pushed to the 4 corners of the body, associated with a high ground clearance, Kiger is also built for escape and confronts any type of road with serenity. The angle of the windscreen, very sloping, extended by a plunging roof, gives Kiger the look of an SUV coupe, and its long wheelbase promises great habitability and volume on board. The exterior style reinforces Kiger's muscular and athletic proportions, like its front bumper and its sculpted bonnet. At the front, Kiger is also distinguished by the modernity of its details. The upper strip, combining both the grille and the LEDs for the daytime running lights, gives a high-perched gaze. The indicators are integrated into the daytime running lights. The Pure Vision headlights give a strong identity to the lower front face. They are composed of 2 blocks of 3 all 100% LEDs. On the sides, the generous wheel arches add strength and character to the bodywork. At higher trim levels, 16-inch wheels with a light black alloy coating, combined with a diamond finish, give Kiger a sporty and elegant look. Solid and robust in the lower part, the top of the Kiger boasts a dynamic silhouette with sleek and taut lines. The floating rooftop, prolonged by a spoiler, expresses dynamism. Further down, a protective ski in aluminum finish completes the vehicle's SUV identity. And at the rear, Kiger also asserts its modernity thanks to 100% LED optics. Pushed to the extremities of the bodywork, they incorporate the brand's luminous signature in the C-shape. They give it a unique personality, immediately recognizable. Kiger comes in 6 exciting body colors. And whatever the finish level, it offers customers the choice of combining a black roof for a 2-tone effect. The interior has been designed to combine the sturdiness of an SUV with a focus on sophistication and technology. The smart cabin has been specially designed to encourage sharing and conviviality. A floating feel is expressed by piano-type switches and suspended climate controls. An 8-inch touchscreen, compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, brings modernity to the interior. It is complemented by a 7-inch digital cluster behind the steering wheel, whose controls are backlit. They include many settings, such as access to onboard computer menu, speaker volume, telephone and radio functions, and also voice recognition. On board, Kiger surprises with its comfort and habitability. At the front, Kiger offers a comfortable distance between the seats, the best in its segment. And at the rear, Kiger provides the best leg room and elbow room of the segment. The seat height provides a commanding driving position, accentuating driving comfort. Practical and clever, Kiger offers its passengers multiple storage spaces with a total capacity on board of 25 liters, an outstanding figure in the segment. Kiger also sets a very high standard when it comes to load capacity, offering 405 liters, the best boot capacity in the segment. Thanks to all these assets, Kiger offers high qualities of life on board and sophisticated equipments with a unique and modern personality. Kiger is the most accomplished vehicle that Renault has ever developed for India. We strongly believe in its potential of attraction and its ability to appeal to Indian customers and meet their expectations.
Carwstar channel. If you don't subscribe here on the channel and leave your like.